Need to add your WhatsApp link on Instagram profile? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily add WhatsApp link to your profile. First thing first, move into your application Instagram. Make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, now head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, click on Edit Profile. You will see tons of different options. Move into Links. Tap on Add Link at the very top of the screen. Now in this page, what you need to do is you have to type in wa.me/ your phone number. Once you have entered, you can also enter the title below. Let me enter it as Contact Me on WhatsApp. Once done, tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen. Now if you go back, you will be able to see that your WhatsApp link has been added to your Instagram bio. So this is simply how you can add WhatsApp link to your Instagram bio. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.